Hello everyone, I'm Danish, and you're watching Peace Hiking in Europe. If you live in England or visit England, especially London, and are looking for a restaurant where you can enjoy authentic Pakistani, Afghan, and Middle Eastern flavors in a beautiful, family-friendly atmosphere, then today's video is just for you. Today, I'm taking you to Watan Restaurant, a place that has become popular for its elegant interior, excellent service, and delicious traditional cuisine. As soon as you step inside Watan Restaurant, the first thing that catches the beautiful green color theme, elegant Islamic geometric wall patterns, hanging greenery, warm ambient lighting, and comfortable seating create a peaceful and welcoming atmosphere. It's the kind of place where you don't just come to eat, you come to relax, spend quality time, and enjoy every moment. Whether you're planning a family dinner, meeting friends, or enjoying a quiet evening with your spouse, Watan Restaurant is an excellent choice.
If I leave, I won't be fine. Your echoes never left my mind. Echoes don't lie in the dark. Every silence, it's too hard. I keep running, still I find. Echoes don't lie. Echoes don't fade with the night. Every memory stays alive. If I'm lost, still a sign. Echoes don't lie. Hands are cold but hearts are race. We don't need to say a phrase. Every moment feels confined, but your echo keeps me high. Lights go red then turn to blue. Every road still leads to you. If this ends, I won't deny. Your echo's written in my mind. Echoes don't lie in the dark. Every silence, it's too hard. I keep running, still I find. Echoes don't lie.
The restaurant offers comfortable family seating, cozy tables for couples and small groups, spacious seating for larger gatherings, and a family-friendly environment where guests with children can dine comfortably. If you're planning to celebrate a special occasion, Watan Restaurant is also an ideal venue for different types of events, including birthday parties, family get-togethers, wedding anniversary celebrations, corporate dinners, private functions, friends gatherings. The beautiful decor and relaxing atmosphere make every occasion feel special and memorable. Now, let's talk about the food. The dishes are prepared with perfectly balanced spices that highlight the authentic flavors without being too strong or too mild. The meat is tender, fresh, and cooked to perfection, giving every bite a rich and satisfying taste. If you're a fan of Pakistani or Afghan cuisine, the food here will remind you of the authentic homemade flavors that many people miss while living abroad.
Lights fade slow, I'm all alone. Your voice still echoes through
now we have talking about the manager of Watan Restaurant in London, Tooting. We can talk about when he has started this business. When you have started this business?
So basically, of course, Watan has been running a family business, and they've been working on high streets of Southall like almost, you can say, from 17 to 18 years. But in Tooting, we've been open almost 4 years now. And Alhamdulillah, as you can see, it's all packed. The only reason is we're making all our food fresh to order, nothing pre-cooked. The same way as we make in Peshawar or Afghanistan or in Lahore. The same taste you will have here in Watan Tooting or Watan Southall or Watan Ilford.
Okay. Where are you basically from? You are basically from?
Me, myself.
Yes.
I'm from Afghanistan.
Afghanistan?
Yes, yeah. And obviously, as I said, this is Afghan and Pakistani cuisine. We have got, obviously, a fusion of food and a fusion of staff as well. We have got boys working from Lahore, from India, from Bangladesh. It's a mixture, from Peshawar, from Afghanistan. And Alhamdulillah, it's going well. That telephone lag check please.
I have seen your spice cart. It's not a highly priced, reasonable price, and your staff and cook is only from one cook or different cook. Have you like that trained them?
So
like
basically, whoever you see inside the kitchen, they are all cooks. There is a difference between cooks and chefs. We have got like 4 head chefs.
Okay.
The main head chef who is preparing all the recipe, all the masalas, and everything. Obviously, the chef, they're coming early in the morning, 5 o'clock in the morning, 6 o'clock in the morning. They do all their prep, marination, cooking the rice, biryani, and karai stuff. And the rest, obviously barbecue, that's all cooked fresh to order by the cooks. The karai, that's all cooked fresh to order by our karai chef. And they're all being trained here. Some of them, we bring them from Pakistan as well.
And behind them, all of these cooks is only one man or
4 head chef.
4 head chef.
Yes.
Okay.
One head chef is from Afghanistan, one is from India, and 2 is from Pakistan. So everyone is doing what they are special in, because our menu itself, as you can see, it's not too big. We have 2 cuisine, Afghan and Lahori cuisine. And the chef, they're making the food in which they are specialized.
So hello guys, have you seen them? I am highly recommended you from this restaurant. Really, last time here I have never taste like that. It's really like Pakistan or Indian or Afghanistan or Peshawar. It's really good original taste and original recipes. Not too much spicy and not too much salty. When you eat, you can feel it. It's really how you are eating in your culture or in your area. So
the original flavor is always welcome. And one more thing, what we did here is, with the good food on the side, we're trying to give our hospitality as well, to show it to the world, that of course, as we Pakistani and Afghan, we're famous for the good food. Alongside, we're famous for the hospitality as well. So whoever comes here, we show them our hospitality as well. And I hope you have enjoyed that as well.
Thank you very much, sir.
Always welcome. Thank you so much.
See you inshallah next time.
Inshallah, most welcome. Jazakallah.
Next time
Thank you.
in London.
Thank you so much. Thank you. All right. Thank you.
One of the things I liked most about this restaurant was its peaceful atmosphere, elegant interior design, comfortable seating, and the beautiful presentation of every dish. It's a perfect destination for anyone who wants to enjoy delicious food in a stylish and relaxing environment. So, friends, if you're ever visiting this city, I highly recommend stopping by Watan Restaurant and experiencing it for yourself.
If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to Peace Hiking in Europe. Don't forget to press the bell icon so you'll never miss our upcoming travel and food vlogs. I'm Danish. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, and Allah Hafiz.